Today is opening weekend for the Blue Jays here at Rogers Center, and I am beyond excited to be back today. The Blue Jays are on an absolute tear, and I assume they're going to dominate and hopefully sweep the series today. I'm going to take you guys inside the Rogers Center. We're going to check out everything going on in 2022 and give you guys everything you need to know before you head down and watch a Blue Jays game this year. Let's head inside. We just came in and we're quite disappointed because we walk in and we see that there is no cage out on the field, which sadly means there's no batting practice. Texas is just out on the field taking infield drills right now, but it's too bad. It is around 12:30 and the lines are getting pretty long. So if you do want to come to a Jays game and don't have intentions of waiting outside, it's probably good to get here around a little bit before an hour early just so you can avoid these massive lines to get in. Right now we're walking to the very top of the 500 level just to see what it looks like. We had to go up like 5 flights of stairs to get here and we are already so tired. And now there's a ton more. This is a good time to talk about the brand new scoreboard and basically whole lighting visual system they installed here at Rogers Center for the 2022 season. They basically took the Jumbotron, enlarged it by 50%, and then added these 2 side wings to it, and it just looks absolutely incredible in person. I can also see they added a whole new lighting system and audio visual effects, which we'll see as the game starts, but man, the scoreboard just looks amazing, and I'm beyond excited to see all these lighting effects happen throughout the game. Another reason you may want to consider sitting up in the 500s is because of the lower lines for concession stands. You're really not going to be waiting nearly as long as you will down in the 100s or even the 200s when you want to go out quickly and grab a snack or some food during the game up here. So that's another plus. Pro Rogers Center tip is this is actually one of the only sporting venues in Toronto that lets you bring whatever food you want in. You can only bring water as a drink, but you can basically bring any food you want. And that opens up the possibilities to you not having to pay stadium prices. So you can go to one of the tons of carts or little food trucks outside and bring essentially anything you want inside the stadium. It's really awesome. Something you may have realized in the video so far is the new mask policy here at Rogers Center. It still complies with the rest of Ontario's regulations, and essentially it means you have full freedom of choice. Whether you wear it or you don't wear it is 100% your choice. It's been about 60-40 for people not wearing it, so I was wearing it in my seats where there was a ton of people surrounding me, but right now when I'm sitting in this big open concourse at a table by myself, I'm not gonna wear it. So it's totally up to you whether you decide to wear a mask or not here when you're watching a Blue Jays game. Texas just tied the game. Jory's not impressed. There's this pretty cool concession stand right in between section 136 and 137 that's called dugout deals, and essentially, as you can see, this is a mini popcorn. They have ice cream cones and everything's really good value here. So check out dugout deals if you're looking for a good price on some snacks. Something you must know is Rogers Center is fully cashless this year, but all around the park they do have these reverse ATM machines, which is where you can put a credit card in, and I believe you get a prepaid debit card essentially to use anywhere in the park or outside. So just note that Rogers Center is fully cashless this year. This is so cool. And after what, in my opinion, was still quite a really entertaining game, the Blue Jays did finally fall to the Rangers 12-6, but overall, a really, really fun game for my first time back at Rogers Center. I thought the Jays were pretty chilling when they were up 6-1 in the first few innings, but too bad that they couldn't score much more after that. Hey.